Hi guys, and welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be making another cake. As you saw from my last video, when I made the other cake, I didn't like it as much because I'm the one who likes the sweet ones. So today we're going to be making one from scratch. Okay, so we have all these dry ingredients over here that we're going to be putting in the middle, and then the wet ingredients back there. So first step, we're going to have 2 cups of all-purpose flour in the dry bucket. Now we have a 1 cup of sugar. Okay, so next we have the 1/3 of a 1/4 cup of brown sugar. It's stuck in there. Alright, so we have 3/4 of a cup of cocoa powder. 2 teaspoons of baking powder. It's not a... So we have 3/4 of a teaspoon of baking, that in there. And then finally, for the wet ingredients, we have 1 of a 1/2 cup.
No, teaspoon.
Oh. It smells already. Next, we have 1 tablespoon of vanilla in the wet. Makes a loud noise. Alright, so next we have 1/2 a cup of vegetable oil. Looks all liquidy. So now we have 4 eggs. As you saw in my last one, it made a huge mess. So we're gonna try not to do that today. Right. Oh, that is a crack there. Don't want to mess up on the first one. Alright, now we put the shells in there. Up! I did that too hard. Oh, yeah. Alright, that's already soaking. Yep, there we go. And the last, nope, that's a cracked. And now we have the last and final egg. It's probably not going to be a perfect one. Never mind, it may be. Alright, well that's a huge mess. Wakes up the wet stuff. All the liquidy stuff. That's why it's called wet. Next step, we are going to pour the wet liquidy ingredients into the dry ingredients. Don't want to spill this. It'll be way easier if I just going to stir it all together. It's going to look all powdery. Oh, I see the chocolate coming in. A little bit of egg though. We need to get that done. Stir it a little more. Alright, so next we add another ingredient, microwaved, very hot milk. I don't want to touch the bottom because that is hot. And the whisk is still there. I don't know if I like that. Oh, golly, that went everywhere. Hold the bowl. Oh gosh, now that just made it even more hot. So, alright, so if you saw in the last clip, the milk spilled when I whisked it up and it went on my feet. So we're going to put it in the mixer now because that was too strong for me. Place it down. Just look at all the chocolate in there. That's great. Alright, so lock. Turn it on 1. You see it all getting all chocolatey, or whatever. It looks like it's done. It's all chocolate and nothing else. Alright, pouring half into each pan. It's very good. Put the rest here. Let's see. In the oven, we have to set it for 35 minutes on this timer. Alright, there we go. We're gonna put it in the oven for 350. Put one in and two in. Okay, so now we have two of the pans out. They're very hot. I'm going to ice it. Well, this is a different way. So we have white icing in there, which you can't see because we have the black icing on top. It's kind of like a cake sandwich, sort of. Right. Cutting a piece. Right. Looks good. Looks really good. It's a very long piece. It's a very long piece. And reach on your right. You're touching the icing. Alright, boom. There. It's really good.